Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore another scent from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Maison Marmin. I'm not sure, Anthony Maison Marmin. So this is called Habibati. Habibati or Habibati. So it means my love, my darling. So Habibati is an Arabic word for my love, my darling, my beloved. So let's try to see how this actually evolves. I'm going to apply it on a strip of paper right now because I don't want to apply too many attars on my skin. Oops, so it is very watery. It might have more florals in it. Uplifting, white, musky, floral. It kind of reminds me of a room spray or some of the cleaning detergents. Kind of light kind of candy kind of touch, candy sweet. It's a bit vibrating, kind of sweet and uplifting. It is not airy actually. Candy sweet with some, I'm not sure, I didn't like the way it has the similarity to detergents and some of the room cleaners when you use some liquid cleaners to clean your tiles, something like that. I don't want to degrade this, but this is when some perfume or some attar or some perfume oil, they actually resembles to soaps or detergents. I mostly don't like that because I don't want to smell like a perfume or detergent or some clothes softener I have used in the washing machine. Now it is getting a bit more balanced, more floral. The vibrating detergent kind of feeling is a bit in the background now. Okay, so this is my 2 cents about this scent. White musk with some soapy, or I would say cloth softener kind of, or maybe detergent kind of feeling to it. Candy sweet with some candy sweetness. There is some scent, or like you are sniffing a candy, kids candy. Not overpowering over here, but overall I didn't like this one at all. I had some hopes for this one, Habibati. I would I was hoping for something great, but so far I think Amber as Sheikh is winning. This one is losing. Okay, so on the scale of 10, I would rate the scent profile to be 4 out of 10 because I didn't like it at all. Oh. And from performance, I think it would be a great performer because it has very powerful vibes to it. A bit powerful in my opinion. I think it would be 7 out of 10 for performance and 4 out of 10 for the scent profile for Habibati. Okay, so I was thinking maybe something floral, wet, or something astonishing with some woodiness to balance in the background or something similar to that, but it is really different and in a different direction. For me, it is going to trigger some headache maybe. So I'm going to stop sniffing it. Okay, so this is my review about Habibati from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Anthony Maison Marmin. I'm difficult to remember his new company name, firm name. So if you like something like this, or you are looking for some oil that resembles to soapiness or detergents or maybe floor tiles sweeper or something, uh, you can go for this one. I personally didn't like it at all. Okay, so I will see you in another video. We will meet with another video and with another scent. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.